When we are pushing north and leaving Greece, we won't tell anybody, but there will be signs. Kalispera! We are Sara and Joni from Vantastic, and together we live and travel with that camper van
all around Europe.
Do you know what today is?
Last day in Greece.
Finally, this day came, and we are saying goodbye to the beautiful, gorgeous Greece.
And one of the reasons is spring is here in Greece. It's not anywhere else in Europe, but the weather forecast tells us that it's gonna be really cold in Greece for 1 week. And yeah, you know, we always escape the coldness and the bad weathers. And those are good driving days when you have a bad weather.
Yeah.
I don't know how long we're gonna drive, maybe to north. We are pushing north. So let's see where we end up.
But first thing, we will go grocery shopping to stock up our Greek favorite goodies.
Yeah, so we can actually have a chicken gyros also in Finland during the summer months.
What do you miss about Greece, Joni, the most? I think the people. And the relaxed atmosphere everywhere, and these gorgeous places where you can park for night. They're everywhere.
And fresh produce whole year around. And we have been camping beside the sea and beside rivers that are really clear. In Finland we don't have clear waters that much. Most of the rivers and lakes are really dark, when here wherever you go, it's like a blue dream. Last grocery shopping in Greece.
And these are our favorite products, mainly in Lidl, that we crave and miss, and we bought them a plenty. So let's go through of them. Green peppers, they are so yummy and delicious. Pita breads, these are going to live in our freezer. Driving day foods, easy Greek foods for us. 10 bunch of tulumba for Joni. Chicken for the gyros. This is grilled and perfectly cut. Bunch of olive oil. I think we went overboard, but we are going to give some of these olive oil as souvenirs. And then for some reason we bought Chiporo and Uso. Even we don't drink hard alcohols. I think we are going to give them away too. Yeah. Love these Greek products. And it's already kind of gloomy and nippy because we are leaving Greece behind our home. We are entering Bulgarian border, and Bulgaria is no longer a Schengen country. So there's no passport checkups at the border.
Or stops, anything. You can just drive through.
Let's see if that's really valid, or do they want to inspect us because they just want to make a random search. Yeah. Let's do this. White road and not much traffic. Perfect.
Thank you. 1.9 euros for last toll increase. The whole winter we paid approximately 20 euros in tolls, and we tried to avoid most of them. So you can drive also in Greece without tolls. This is the only road that you cannot miss. That's why we call it corruption road.
And just like that, we are in Bulgaria, and there were no border checkups, so it was really weird to drive. Just drive it like you are in Europe.
Yeah, those old border stations, they are huge, and there used to be long lines on border of Greece and Bulgaria and Romania. Yeah, but now they are gone.
World is going to the better direction.
Yes. So,
but in the top of the toll that we had to pay to cross Greece to Bulgaria, we had to buy a vignette for Bulgaria to use these roads. So it was
6.5 euros for 1 week.
Yeah, not much, But when you travel all these countries and they have different vignette systems and they add up, and it kind of pisses me off. But I'm not trying to think about it now. Now just enjoy that we are in the new country. First stop is to take LPG to our refillable gas tanks. And it's easy because the access is from the outside, so it's not that illegal to do. LPG costs 60 cents per liter in Bulgaria, so it's 40% cheaper than in Greece. And also in the mix there's much more propane than butane, so it means it works in the colder climates also.
Best feeling ever to fill up the diesel in Bulgaria. It was 1.15 euros per liter. I think last time it was that low in Macedonia, like 2 years ago. So now we are more than happy to drive north. Yes, we were trying to find the cheapest diesel. The price varies quite a lot, like 15 cents in 10 kilometer road that we watched the diesel prices. It was 1.15 to 1.3 euros per liter. And the Bulgarian, is it leva? Leva. It's quite easy to count because it's 1.95 levas per euro. So basically just half the price, and you have the prices in euro. Yeah. So now driving whole day forward, north, pushing north
with a cheap diesel. Whenever we cross the border from Greece to Bulgaria or vice versa, this is our first stop to go bathe in the thermal baths. And these baths are kind of shallow, but we love them because there's zero sulfur smell. And now it's a bit nippy and cold wind, so the baths will feel like we are in a sauna. Let's go dip in.
Yeah, these are Rubite hot baths. When you come from Thessaloniki straight to the north, to the through the motorway, it's here. Like motorway is like behind that hill. So cold. We went for the dip yesterday and again now in the morning time. It's +3 at the moment, so one of the coldest mornings that we have encountered in the whole winter in Greece. And we're gonna go to hot baths, the bathe before driving or pushing north, as we say in Vantastic van. And this is not really a natural hot baths, even if you can be here for free, because they are pumping the water from the beneath the ground. So this is like 10 degrees warmer than yesterday when we were here. Yesterday it was quite cold, these baths over here, but now they are hot. I think something around 40 degrees. Imagine +3 on the air, little breeze, and +40 water. Best feeling ever. My shoes, they are not pair because other one was lost, another one was taken by a coyote. Chacal. Pools are really shallow, so there's a lot of sand, so you have sand everywhere, just like in a beach in Greece. Small warning about the hot baths. The temperatures in a hot bath is a perfect breeding ground for brain-eating amoeba. So never put your head below the surface and beware that there's no water going to your nostrils, because brain-eating amoeba it will kill you. So that's why always wash after and don't dip your head. This is push north episodes, and we pushed north like 25 kilometers from the Greek border. So we were planning to drive a lot, but the hot baths were so great and we knew that it will be a really cold morning, and going to the hot baths during the cold mornings is the best. You can get the best feeling ever when you go from really cold outside temperatures to the baths. Yeah. But now we have been refreshed and ready to drive through Bulgaria.
Most of these hot baths are not natural. They are outflow or side flow of the thermal bath centers. So there's paid bath and also this free one. We always prefer free. There's saying in Vantastic: halpa hyvä ilmainen padas.